In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly schedule a meeting in a group chat in Microsoft Teams. So you click on a group chat and click three dots on the upper right, and right here you have schedule a meeting. You can click on that, and from now you can just go ahead and fill in all the names and the title. You can fill in the title, you can now add the participants, you can set the date, the time when you want it to start, and so forth. You can choose if it's going to be a 30-minute meeting or all day, whatever. Here you can choose if it's going to be repeating. So if it's going to be repeating like our series, you can go ahead and you can just choose that right here as well. If you have rooms or offices or location, you can add those ins right here. So if you're in the office and your office room is called, for example, Tokyo or whatever, you can call that like this. I know that in many offices they use name of cities or places or some various things. You'll be able to select that once you're able to find it in the system. And here you can add your description of your meeting. Once you're done, all looks good, you click on send on the upper right, and that's it, guys.